Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I haven't made a video for a while now. I know I've been so lately so busy with my other jobs, you know. Oh, by the way, I'm realtor also, so I sell the house and sell the car also. Anyway, this is my latest import shipments from Japan. This time this is the 1997 Toyota Celica. I believe this is SS3. Correct me if I'm wrong, you know. I'm trying to observe too, so like if you guys think this is not SS3, just let me know. I know it's not the GD4 for sure. In fact it is not GD4. It's just regular either SS2 or SS3. I'm not really sure what's the difference between those two. It has the 2.0 liter 3S FE engine, so I don't know, could be SS2, you know. Anyway, this one has only 82,000 kilometer, so basically about like 52,000 miles. It's very great car. It looks fantastic, you know. It has a really nice body kit. I believe it's a factory too. It looks very good. I mean, I know they have like the wheels a little bit smaller sides, you know. It will be it is only 17 inches, so if it's bumped to 18 inches, it will be much nicer, I would say. The good thing about the car is it's Toyota Celica, so I'm pretty sure you can find the parts easily here. You know, I don't think you will have to look for the parts very hard around here in the US, you know. Yeah, this is 97. It has the aftermarket exhaust also. It sounds pretty good, you know. I'm gonna start the car and then I'll show you guys the sounds from the exhaust. Yeah, overall very nice car. And the one I noticed the different is the rear tail lights. It seems totally different. I know it is the white part is outside, and I don't know, somehow like looks totally different for me. So I Google it, and it's totally different from the US Toyota Celica. So maybe this is for only JDM, I guess. It has a very nice paint. The paint wise pretty good. There's no scratch. I mean, it does a very little, very minor scratch, and pretty much that's it. There's no dent or anything. There's no paint fading spots or anything. The paint was shining, like as you can see right now. I know it's a little bit darker now. It's almost, I think, past 7 o'clock already. So yeah, here's in Houston. It's the hot weather today. But yeah, overall very nice car. I drove around, it's no issue, and the transmission shifts smoothly, and the engine runs perfect. So yeah, pretty nice car. I'll show you the inside, and I will tell you more about what they have. All right, so here, man. The body kit has pretty nice shape though. I don't see any crack or anything, but it's a little minor scratch up there. I'll show you in a minute. And it has the it's good looking wheel, but it's not as big as that you think it is, you know. And yeah, overall really nice. So there's some I don't know, scratch, or it's dirty, I guess. Yes, I washed my car the other day. I mean, like actually a week ago, and I haven't washed it again. And you know, the Texas has the all the rains a lot, so that's underneath. I don't see any rust or anything. And this is aftermarket exhaust that I'm talking about. So yeah, pretty good looking car. I'll show you the inside. It's very clean inside too. You can see here. Oh, it has the aftermarket Kenwood CD player and MP3 player, so it's a little bit nicer than regular one, you know. So this is automatic. I believe it's 4-speed automatic. And this is the cup holder. And this is a glove compartment. And some storage. I believe this car is driven by the Japanese girl, I believe. I can see that this is the air freshener, and there's one more air freshener, and I don't know, something here also. And this is the some laser detector for the police, I guess. And there's a bunch of like wires coming out. It looks like the maybe the lady used GPS or something, but I think she took it out. Here it's 83,000 kilometer, so around like 53,000 miles. Yeah, it's a very good looking car. Let me open the trunk and the bag also, so I can show you around. Oh, let me show the back seat also. It's a small back seat, you know. It's a Toyota Celica, so it doesn't have not much room in the back. You know, just for the two-door car. So I don't think there's nobody sitting in the back before too. It's very good condition. Even the carpets are still looking new. So yeah. Let me open the trunk. So here's a pretty big trunk for the small car. This is the spare wheel, and the jack should be here. Now I'll start the car so you can hear the sound of the aftermarket exhaust. It sounds fantastic though. Oh, and I noticed this seat is a little bit different than other Celica. I mean, it has the Celica name on it. The other Celica doesn't have it, and it has like a bigger, thicker side bolster. So it is definitely sports seats, I would say. Could be optional, maybe. And I'll show you the engine. Pretty clean engine. There's alternators on the top, so it's easy to play around, you know. And it looks like it has the aftermarket, or not aftermarket, maybe the new spark plug and the cable. That's why the colors are different. All right. It looks very good car. And here's a key. There's a lock and unlock button too. So let me start the car. All right. Hear it? It's kind of loud. It is called 5ZIGE. I think that's the JDM, the aftermarket. It's a pretty nice, huh? Let me know what you think of. Let's turn on the lights. Good looking car. Well, I'm putting up for sale on this car. So if anybody interested, just let me know. I already registered on title, so I should be getting the title in a few days. Yep. Overall, super nice car. And look at the taillights. See, that's what I said about different with the Celica in United States. It's not like this. Definitely, it's not like this. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna have the one more car review in a few days. It's gonna be next car will be Subaru Legacy. It's a 5-speed. Anyway, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. And if you have anything, just leave the comments to me, and let me know. All right. Thank you.